What's good, everybody? It's your girl Patrick Kiera. In today's video I am going to be showing you guys a few items that I thrifted, and I posted a thrift haul not too long ago, and I would say that thrift haul is probably going to be longer than this one. I just want to show you guys a few items that I've picked up in the last few weeks. Also, I'm in a new space. If you've been watching my videos, you know that this is not the same setup. I have moved, so that is why I haven't been filming any videos or uploading any videos, but now your girl is settled. So with that being said, we're just gonna get into the video today. So I want to show you guys this top that I got right here. It is just like this textured purple cool abstract print top, and the cuffs are really cool as well. It's just such a cute feminine top. It is polyester, so I will have to wear it on cooler days, but I really do like this top. I could wear this open with just a bralette underneath, or even just with a tank on if I want to wear it as it is, pair it with a pair of shorts and just get ready to go. And the next top I have is this cardigan. It's like a lace cardigan, and it is a viscose silk blend by a brand called Adam Jones Pairs. It is an older top just based off of the tag, and I feel like this is just another piece that I can throw on just over whatever I'm wearing to add a pop of color, or also just for some lace and like texture effects for the outfit, you know, because that's what we do around here. So if you saw my last thrift haul that I just posted recently, or the most recent thrift haul that I posted a pinstripe Giorgio Armani blazer, and now I have a black one that's just as long. It only has a one button closure right here. Once again, it has shoulder pads like the other one does, and I'm just a sucker for shoulder pads. Like, I'm obsessed with shoulder pads. And it has pockets right here in the front, as well as like a handkerchief pocket detail right here as well, and it just fits really nicely. I've been finding some dope blazers recently, and I'm really excited about building my collection. So yeah, this is definitely a piece that I'm excited to have. So the next top that I have is this little white blouse with this flower, just crazy collar, and I love the collar, which is exactly why I got it. And it is like sheer, if you can see. Can't really see it as much, but it is sheer and it's silk, but it's really pretty. And I feel like this could be worn by itself, but I could also layer it. Like during the winter time, I could throw on a turtleneck under it and it will still be a vibe. So yeah, I love this little top right here. Next up, I have this insane jacket that I found while thrifting, and it has this pleated collar line. Everything is just so pleated and crinkly, and I love the texture of this. It does have a lining on the inside right here, so it is for like warmer, I mean, it is for like cooler days, like when it's cold outside. But this jacket is definitely a vibe. I feel like for the longest I've been trying to find a statement jacket that still is cute and like not too hard to wear in terms of functionality, and this one is like perfect, especially with the liner on the inside. It doesn't have a hood, but that's what these are for. So yeah, I'm so inspired by this jacket. It kind of gives me like Miyake, like Issey, pleats please vibes. And whenever I try on pleats please, or whenever I've tried it on, none of the pieces that I find ever flatter my body. So I love that I was able to find a jacket that kind of gave that vibe that I've been looking for, and it was only $17. So yeah, that's a bonus. So the next item I got are these pants right here. They are like a python print, but they're red and they're stretchy, and they're actually older. Like the tag is probably like a Y2K brand, nothing that is like a brand name, but I just love the pattern of them. Oh, I cannot wait to wear these. These are definitely like an all year round pant too, like summertime crop top, wintertime turtleneck, bodysuit, trench. Obsessed. I can think of so many ideas with these pants, so cannot wait to bring these bad boys out. I also got a new pair of denim jeans, and these are like a light wash flared denim, and in the back they have this lace detail right here, which I thought was really cute. And the reason that I got these is because I found a denim top, which I'm gonna style them with, you'll see in the clip, but I found a denim like halter top, and I saw a photo of Amina Muaddi who had on a Prada like denim top and bottom two-piece set. And so I was like, oh, I need to find some denim jeans to go with this halter top. Like, it just needs to go together, and I literally found them in the same trip. So I'm so excited about these. And yeah, I just think these are so cute with the back detail, like the lace, and they just fit so perfectly. So yeah, I was able to finally find a pair of leather pants that are a straight leg and that fit like snug around the waistline. I feel like my problem is always either the legs are like a slim leg, like they taper in, or the waistline just never fits me. But I finally found some pants that fit, and they have this cool little detail in the back all the way down to the bottom of the leg. So they have a nylon lining on the inside, which I love because it doesn't make it uncomfortable to wear throughout the day. Like, my legs aren't getting hot or just like sticking to the leather. These are like the perfect pair of leather pants I could ask for. And you know, spring is around the corner. Spring is right around the corner, so I had to pick up a dress. And I got this cute little mini dress that I think will be perfect for the springtime with the jacket, and in the summertime just like it is. And I want to wear them with, I want to wear this dress with some mules, like some cute mule sandals. That's kind of my vibe that I think I'm going for this summer. So yeah, I'm like so happy that I came across this cute little dress. It was only like, I don't know, like maybe $12. It wasn't that expensive, but yeah, I love how it fits, and I love like the lace detail at the bottom with the ruffle. It just gives it a little personality. And then I found this mini black dress right here, which is also, it's just like a classic little mini black dress, and it's by a brand called Pleasure USA, which is, it just has an older tag, so probably like made in the early 2000s. Just from looking at the tag, that's kind of how it looks. And it has darting in the back and in the front, and that just makes it fit really well. And you know, we all about fit over here if you've been following the channel. It's just so important that you find items that just fit, because that is going to make or break the whole look. It makes or breaks all of the visuals, I'm sorry, but if the fit not right, it's just not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it for you. I love this little mini dress right here, and it has a zipper in the back, so super easy to get into without like stretching. So I also got some shoes, and they are these little sandals right here. These Giuseppe bedazzled square toe sandal. They are just so freaking cute. The heel's not too high, which I like. I feel like they'll be easier to walk around in during the spring and the summertime. And I just love the detail as well of the beads, or like the embellishment strap right here. So, all right, so that is everything that I had in this haul. It was really quick, nothing crazy, but I did want to show you guys because I thought that these were just cute like transitional items. And I'm gonna be making a styling video soon, so make sure to look out for that. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on my next video. Peace.